Fluke 87V. Finally. I've never been able to afford one of these before. Like, it's usually go for over £200 plus, but this one I got for a good price. It's a bit filthy, but it'll clean up. It's got a cracked screen, which is a shame, but I should be able to get a replacement. I've had the 83V, but obviously this one's got low impedance. It's got temperature, high accuracy. Been wanting one of these for years, but couldn't afford one, so this is the ultimate. It's got a bit of a crack to the case there, which is bad because it means the IP rating's gone. But I'll clean it up, have a look. Display looks good. Virtually instantaneous readings. Buzzer's working. Anyway, I'll get it clean. Well happy so far. This is the best multimeter ever made, I think. Right, I opened it up. Board's looking good. Both fuses are intact, which is a good sign. Means it ain't had too much stick. You're blowing the 10 amp fuses, you gotta be worried. So all the wiring's intact. It looks clean. Doesn't look like anyone's been in here before. All the clips are fine on the LCD screen. So yeah, electronically it's tidy. The upper case, the top case is a bit more damaged than I thought. It's got a crack there. The screen's terrible. All the paint's fine though. Obviously its IP rating's gone, so couldn't really be used on site. Buzzer's fine. This case is in here, just soaking a bit. I'll give that a scrub up in a minute and then I'll rebuild it back up. But yeah, other than the case, it's pretty much good condition. Oh, one of the leads as well. Had a bit of bodgery on it. I don't know if you can see that now, I've got it wet, but got electrical tape around it, so I'll have to take that off, have a look and see if I can't put some liquid insulation around it. Right, I've cleaned it up a little bit, looking a lot better now. It's had a bath, so looking good. Got the temperature gauge set on it. I'll do a few obligatory testing components, but it's looking great, looking a lot cleaner. Obviously the cracks in the screen, you can't clean them out. There's 2 cracks in the body, which is bad, but let's see. Sorry, it was at 20 degrees when I first started, which I can't see it being 20 degrees in here, so I'll have to test the accuracy of this meter. That's boiled water, it should be close to 100, but it's probably cooled down a bit, so 76. So that seems okay so far. I'll have to test its accuracy. I'll go to volts DC, I'll plug these leads in. I found on the black one there's a cut right through to the wire, so I'll have to, these are only good for low voltage or dead testing, so like when I say low voltage I mean battery. Let's try a battery, 4.12 volts, flip it around, it tells you the negative sign, so that's good. Let's test continuity. 0.2 in the leads. You can do a relative on that, but buzzer works. Try diode mode. I've only got a LED, but the same thing. Should light up. On the right one. That works fine. So we'll do a transistor as well, it's the same thing, same test. I like the way the beep as well on Flukes, makes testing diodes really easy. So go to resistors again, try this resistors reader. $215. I'll test one. So one of them's 44. Both together. 22 in parallel. Right, go to capacitance. Oh, then we got to press yellow to get the capacitance. So it's supposed to be 0.1 microfarads. Close enough. Well, you got to check the percentages obviously, but 47 microfarads. 49. So yeah, looks pretty accurate. Cleaned up nice. Really happy with this. Don't know what's happened there, but yeah, we waited a long time for one of these and well happy to have it. We're going to do some practice with it now.